up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another video. So as you guys know, I have been saving money doing my nails by myself because I'm tired of giving a nail shop my hard-earned money, and I'm sure you are too. So if that is you, keep watching. I'm gonna show y'all how I remove my Gel X nails. I get so many questions about Gel X, and it's super easy. So follow me for more. Okay, let's get right into it. These are my nails. They're all grown out. I'm over it. I'm like, okay, new set, new me. Okay, so let's soak this off. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite part of this video. Let's get it. So first we are starting with our acetone. You want to make sure you get your acetone. All the supplies that you guys see in this video will be linked in my Amazon storefront so you can purchase it. So I have my acetone, and I have these foil sheets that I also got from Amazon. Again, it is in my Amazon storefront, so don't even ask like, girl, where did you get that from? Amazon. I get everything off Amazon, okay? All my nail supplies, except for some of them, and I'll let you guys know if I didn't. All right, so I love these nail sheets. They're pretty thin. They're a really good size, and we're gonna use this to add some acetone on that cotton part of it, and then we're gonna wrap it around our nails, so it's super easy. The next thing you guys will need is a nail clipper, just a regular nail clipper. You can get one off Amazon, or you can also go to your local beauty supply store, honey. So you should already have one of those though, okay? That's like bare minimum nail supplies. And this nail drill, y'all, I got from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. OMG. If you do not have a nail drill, please get one. I think this bit also came with it. And yeah, it's just perfect. It gets the job done. We're gonna use this to remove the gel polish off of my nails so I can be able to soak them off. But 10 out of 10, definitely recommend this nail drill. And yeah, y'all, I love it so much. Okay, so next we're gonna take this nail drill with this nail bit. And I don't know exactly what the nail bit is, but I'll again have everything in my Amazon storefront for you guys. And basically all we're using this to do is remove the gel polish from the nails. That is the first step. You pretty much just want to remove as much as you can. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but the more you remove, the better the acetone will be able to break that gel down underneath. Here is my first hand completed. Most of the gel polish have been removed, and I am ready to add acetone. But hold your horses, baby girl. We are not adding the acetone yet. What you want to do is take that nail clipper and clip down the gel as much as you can. So what I do is I look underneath and I see where my real nail stops, because sometimes I don't want to cut my real nails. Sometimes I really don't care. I don't really care to grow out my real nails, to be honest with you guys. But if you care, make sure you do not cut your natural nail. You just want to cut the gel as far down as you can before touching your natural nail. Okay, so now for the fun part. We want to grab those foil sheets. And do you guys see that white square in the middle? Rectangle, square, whatever. You want to take your acetone and dab some onto that cotton square, and you just want to wrap it around each finger. That cotton square should line up with your gel nail, if that makes sense. And that's pretty much all I do, so let's keep it moving. Okay, don't get scared, y'all, but this is where it gets a bit complicated. So I'm gonna switch out the nail bit to whatever this one is called. I have no idea, don't judge me. But y'all know I'm new to this, not true to this. Finna be true to it though. But anyway, you wanna switch it out to this one. And when you buy your your nail drill, when you buy your nail drill, it should come with a bunch of those, but if not, you can just, again, order them off Amazon. Check out my Amazon storefront. So this is the hard part. This process takes about an hour or an hour and a half. I haven't found an easier way to do it, but when I do, I will keep you guys updated. So after about 30 to 40 minutes of me having the foil pieces on my nails, I pretty much remove them and see how far along the acetone has broke down the gel. Does that make sense? I kind of see how far along it is. Once you take it off, you have to file it with this nail filer. Like, honestly, y'all, I don't know how else to do it. It's like a process of taking off the foil pieces, filing, and then putting back the foil pieces on the nail to ensure that it's moving along. Okay, so it's kind of complicated. I haven't found an easier way to do it, but basically it's just this back and forth of taking off the foil pieces, filing it down, putting back on the foil pieces, waiting another like 10 to 15 minutes, and just filing. Okay, so it pretty much reached a point where now I have taken off all of the foil pieces and I'm just gonna file the rest of the gel off. I don't know if that is how it's supposed to be done, but that's pretty much how I have been doing it. And boom, y'all, that is it. You have reached the end of this video. I have taken off all of the gel and I am so happy to do my next set. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. Please don't mind my hands. I need to wash them after all of that acetone got on them. But y'all, look at this. If you want to see me do my Gel X nails, please tune into my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.